Okay, so there are several ways to burn out in the country. You can't do this in the city. If you want to burn your recyclables, not recyclables, but your paper products, make sure they're dry. You can burn in a barrel like this. This is probably an old oil drum. We just have that decorative thing around there because we didn't know what to do with it at this point. We're gonna make it into a little camping ground area, cool little thing later. So you get that going in the barrel. You need to attend fires when you are burning, even out in the country. It is spring and it's all wet, but you never know what can happen. So on a burn barrel, you want to punch these holes in here. You need air to be able to flow in and flow up and keep it burning. If you don't have that, it'll either put itself out or burn very slowly. And what I did was I took a pickaxe and I laid this on the ground and I just swung at it really hard. And then it makes those cool square holes with a pickaxe. You can get that at any hardware store or borrow a neighbor's. And I went all the way around and I did 2 layers because the ashes start to build up at the bottom. And then I do have this grate. When that burns down a little bit, I'll be able to put the grate on top of it to keep all of the ashes in. It shouldn't take too long for it to burn down. Now, you're not supposed to burn even in the country on Sundays or holidays because the fire department, especially out here in the country, is usually a volunteer. And you do need a permit as well to be burning. And then you can also have burn pits. We have one way over there past the playground, and it's on the ground actually for the bigger fires that we have. But you need to have a burning permit and do not burn on Sundays or holidays. And you can see this can get out of control if you're not going to watch it even when it's wet. Ooh, that wind is really kicking up. And what's helping burn the stuff at the bottom is the air holes. And then so I just come over here, I put that on top. It's just an old grill grate. And what that does is just keep the big ashes from flying out and going into the field. Really simple, really cheap. You can get burn barrels for free, usually at the dump, and then you just punch the holes.